Find the whole angle, then subtract the known turn to reveal the missing part.
High in the sunlit ranges, a solitary snow leopard named Frost navigates the terrain. Her territory is a network of steep ridges, converging here where two distinct, neighboring trails meet at a stone cairn. These intersecting mountain paths mirror adjacent angles, which share a single vertex at the cairn and a common side along the ridge. Because these paths are structurally connected, their individual measures add to the measure of the whole angle. Tracking her movements, the first trail she considers measures exactly 40 degrees. The neighboring trail, branching directly from it, measures 50 degrees. Frost naturally follows the first trail, and then she turns down the neighboring trail, without leaving the mountain scene. Taking this second path immediately after the first adds its measurement to the journey she has already made. 40 plus 50 equals 90. By combining these known adjacent parts, we see the whole angle measures exactly 90 degrees. Frost reaches a second, wider fork in the path, where the entire span of the junction forms a whole angle measuring 120 degrees. The section of the path she has traversed accounts for one known part, measuring 45 degrees. This leaves the remaining open trail as a void, an unknown angle hidden in the landscape. To find this missing path, we subtract the known part from the whole angle's total measure. 120 minus 45 equals 75. Using the whole to deduce the missing section proves that the unknown angle measures 75 degrees. Moving further up, Frost crosses a flat, straight mountain saddle. A straight angle like this flat horizon measures 180 degrees. The distance from the start of the path to her current position represents one known component, measuring 110 degrees. To find the remaining distance to the opposite side, we calculate 180 minus 110, which equals 70. The other angle measures 70 degrees, showing deduction works just as reliably on a flat limit. Frost reaches a final, sharp, perpendicular turn in the pass, an intersection with a total limit of exactly 90 degrees. The initial rocky segment leading into the turn measures 25 degrees. We mathematically define her remaining open path by assigning it the variable x. This physical landscape translates directly into a formal equation. 25 plus x equals 90. To isolate the unknown, we balance the landscape by subtracting 25 from both sides. X equals 65. The algebraic expression mirrors the physical deduction. The unknown angle measures 65 degrees. Resting above the tree line, Frost overlooks the interconnected trails that form her territory. The geometry of the mountain pass proves a universal rule. Angle measures are inherently additive. Add parts together to find a whole. Or, working backward, subtract a known part from a whole to deduce exactly what is missing.
Frost checks the whole and the known turn. The missing angle is 65 degrees.